Let's move on to the next question. So we have to integrate this one. So the question is 5x minus 2, 5x minus of 2 divided by 5x minus of 2 divided 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So if you try to observe this type of questions where both in the numerator as well as in the denominator, you're having x. So the first thing that you have to check is, if I try to differentiate the denominator, am I getting the numerator or not? Just check it. Differentiate the denominator and check, are you getting the numerator value? If you're getting it, the best way is use the substitution method and go ahead and solve it. If not, then you have to go for the other method. So just check it. Are you able to solve it using that particular method? If not, you have to go for the other method. Just differentiate and see. If you try to differentiate the denominator, are you getting the numerator? What is that numerator you're getting, and how can we modify that numerator value? Yeah, 2 plus 6x. Now the question is how to get that 2 plus 6x in the numerator. We know this one, d by dx of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So it's how this is 0, this is 2, plus you're getting 6x. So this 2 plus 6x which is there has to come in the numerator method to solve this type of problems. So when you're having the expression in the form of integral of the type, you have integral px plus q form. I'm giving you the standard form. Whenever you're having px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c form. When you're having the expression of this form, where this p, q, a and this, they're just constants, right? Where this a, b, c, p and q all are constant values. It can be 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, any of the values. All right. Then in that case, we can write down the numerator value. So then the numerator will become, numerator can be written as, that is px plus q. Right, px plus q will be equals to, so I'll try to introduce some real numbers or the constants such that you get a times of, as I told you, you have to get the derivative. Derivative of what? Derivative of the denominator. Denominator value is ax square plus bx plus c. Right? A into, first you have to write down the differentiation of the denominator plus the constant, another constant will be writing plus b. So if I try to differentiate this one, what I'll be getting? Ax square will give you 2ax plus bx differentiation will be b. C is a constant, derivative will be 0 plus b. So from here, you have to find a and b. Find a and b. Then integrate. Right? So this value, the first term, you'll be getting the integral in the form of the derivative will be in the numerator and its value will be in the denominator. So then in that case, its integral value will give you log. The second one will be the method that we have done today. So two separate integrals will be getting whenever you are having this type of integrals. All right. So let us try to take an example. And even in the case of root also, even if you're getting square root, second method, this is method, this is first one. Even in the second case also, if you have the integral in the form of ex plus q, same integral, but denominator you are not having square root. But suppose if you have square root in the denominator, method will remain the same. Ax square plus bx plus c. And then follow the above method. Follow the above method. Similar method we are going to follow. The problems based on this method, we'll try to do it in the next class.